first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with CAD.com Lab and make your AutoCAD 2D 3Ds Max dreams come true. Download the app now.
फिर होस्पोस हो जाती है, समझ में नहीं आता। इसीलिए आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट में इसीलिए कॉल आउट्स को यूज़ करा गया है, डिटेल कॉल आउट को यूज़ करा जाता है ताकि आप उनको मार्क करके अलग सेपरेटली शो करा सकें सिस्टमेटिक वे।
For all the floors.
For all the floors, right. So in flooring layout, we mention all material details of every rooms, like bedroom, room, Ferguson, drawing room, and study room, flooring materials, frames. So the point is, we should know about the different types of materials, that what kind of materials are available in the market. So this point is very important. So any idea?
No.
Okay. So types of material. There are so many types of material in the market, like flooring, like granite, plain marble. We can also use ceramic tiles,
Okay.
wooden flooring in interior design and bedroom. Also, we use the wooden flooring.
Okay. Okay.
Also, quota stone flooring.
Sir, 1 minute. I'll come back. Hello? Hello?
Spider. If you wanna mention in bedroom wall, yeah, in washroom, yeah, in bedroom, so every texture we will mention on the basis of company's background.
Okay.
Okay, so I will send you. You can see here, like office tiles, detail, flooring details, wall, big roof, right?
Okay.
Different types of marble. Also, we can mention like bathroom tiles, bathroom wall tile, wooden, and we will use paint catalog. We cannot mention any wall paint
Okay.
without and code, without any code and image.
Okay.
And also it's very important for interior and for architecture.
Okay.
Right. So I will forward you complete catalog.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in wooden material, HDHMR. Any idea what is HDHMR and MDF?
No.
HDHMR versus MDF. Of interior. Good. And MDF is a board used for furniture designing.
Okay.
In kitchen design, furniture design, in office furniture, that TV cabinet.
Okay.
So mostly we use the HMR board and FDF board,
Mm-mm.
right?
Okay.
Also we use the charcoal sheet.
Okay.
Mostly we use charcoal sheets in interior
Mm.
to decor a wall.
Okay.
There are so different types of material. This is the wooden section of the elevation.
Okay.
HPL cladding. This is called the HPL cladding. High
Okay.
pressure laminate. It
Okay.
is mostly to uh, external wall of the exterior.
Okay.
So also we use the copper of the exterior material, like
Um,
charcoal louvers. Mostly we use on bedroom wall, drawing room
mm.
wall,
Oh,
and we will mention every detail on the basis of catalog, like
okay.
size, height, and width of the charcoal louvers. Where you can
Mm.
see the different types of patterns mostly we use for decor wall, like with name.
Okay.
You can see the bedroom wall with charcoal louver, fifth room. Also, we can use charcoal louvers in offices.
Oh,
Mostly we use, right.
okay.
There are so many types of material. Like you can see here different type of patterns, laminates.
This is laminates or wallpaper?
No, no, it's not a wallpaper. It's a laminate.
Okay.
Charcoal louvers and laminate. You can see that both materials are similar.
Okay.
Charcoal in charcoal sheet
Mm.
limited patterns,
Mm, mm, mm.
and in laminate there are so many types of colors are available in the market.
Oh,
These materials are used in interior. Mostly
mm.
used are sheet and laminate and wooden plank, louvers. These are common material mostly we use in interior, right? So I will forward you complete
Ah,
of the materials.
ah.
Same in exterior, we use HPL cladding, stone cladding, right?
Mm, mm,
So on basis of materials, we will create a flooring layout. So in flooring layout, the first point is first make a copy of the ground floor and remove all objects like inner dimensions, inner blocks, same One washroom area, we will delete all extra block. Living room, same. Yeah.
Hmm.
After that, we will close the room so that we can mention link pattern.
Okay.
Like same puja room. We will use a different material in puja room. We will use a different flooring in bathroom,
Hmm.
lobby area. Okay. So categorize wise you can define. Then decide that which types of material you want to use in your interior. Like in bedroom, we will use Korean marble flooring.
Okay.
In bathroom, we can search like bathroom material tiles, the bedroom, Italian marble. Okay. So first of all, we will
No.
create
Hmm.
tabs like Control C and Control V. This one is bedroom. So we will mention every take of the area. Like this one is Italian marble flooring of the bedroom. In bathroom, we will use tiles.
Okay.
So first create every type of the room.
Okay.
Italian marble and green and first bathroom tiles. Again, copy and paste on different place. Yeah. In this section, in bathroom, yeah, in drawing room, study room, same. You can see the we use mostly the same material in dining area, drawing room, and children's bedroom. Almost we use the same material. Okay. Entrance and lobby, also use the same material, including marble
Okay.
and granite flooring.
Inlay work.
Yeah,
In living room. Can you take the living?
yeah, with
Reference drawing.
living room.
Uh,
Okay,
what is at the center? Mosaic inlay work. In the living room, right?
okay, yeah, this one. Stone cladding.
No, 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 no.
Also, we can say that it's a stone cladding of material.
Um,
Then
in
search
the living room, can you take living room?
living room, like this is veranda and Italian, like entrance
Entrance
lobby,
lobby.
entrance
Take
lobby,
entrance lobby. Glass
this
mosaic inlay work. What is?
glass mosaic. This one is glass mosaic inlay work, and this is our
Hmm.
material with Italian marble flooring. Okay. Glass mosaic,
What
say
is glass like work?
glass mosaic work like we use in entrance lobby as a like for
Hmm.
decor
As
like yes. Glass mosaic work mostly we use in entrance and passage Also, we use on a wall. We will discuss this material about this material in interior. Okay, don't worry. And
Okay.
Italian marble flooring, and also the Italian marble flooring same. So it's not important. In bedroom, we will mention a wooden material. So in bedroom, we will mention wooden material. So this one is bedroom. So we will use here only wooden flooring, right?
Okay. Okay.
For that, in drawing room, we use Italian marble.
Ah.
And in kitchen, also we'll use the same material, the same areas, granite and puja room. We will use tiles.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
After that, create hedge. Like in wooden flooring, select your wooden pattern. So mostly we use wall for wooden texture and for wooden detail. We
Hmm.
use dolmite, right?
Okay.
Resize and change the color of pattern and close. Now it's wooden flooring. In bathroom, we will mention tile pattern with hedge. Select tile pattern, select your areas and scale.
Okay.
We can use like 4. Now it's bathroom tile flooring. Same in washroom, we will use the same hedge. Puja room, also we use the tile marble design. Okay, it's not important that you select your own material.
Hmm.
Same here, we will use different pattern, diamond and plastic. So select every area and decrease the size of the pattern like we will use 0.3 and close. Same living room, granite flooring.
Hmm.
Also, we will use granite edge like this. Select and size, scale, and angle. Now it's showing a granite look that we use granite material in living.
Okay.
So in flooring layout, it's important. It's very important to mention material detail.
Okay.
So material detail like this. It's already we can say that material legend, yeah, material finisher.
Okay.
So you can say that finishes the material legend. So
Ah. Ah.
you can create your own. Yeah, do copy and paste. The important thing is